Hello, tea lovers, and welcome to the Tea Plug. Yesterday, I came here and I talked about Jordyn Woods and her man, Carl Towns. And in that same spirit of positivity, I want to talk about Jeannie Mai and her husband, Jeezy. Yesterday, Jeannie announced on the reality show The Real that she is pregnant, and I would like to say congratulations to her. However, as expected, the internet had a lot to say concerning this announcement. Here is a little backstory about Jeannie Mai. Now, Jeannie was previously married to her ex-husband Freddie for quite a long time, and oftentimes on The Real, Jeannie would actually talk about her marriage, and we all know that Jeannie has always been open. She has always been an open one and has always been honest about not wanting to have children. In 2017, Jeannie Mai and Freddie parted ways. Allegedly, the reason why the two broke up is because Jeannie did not want to have kids. Initially, they both had agreed on this, but somewhere along the journey, Freddie changed his mind. And unfortunately, Jeannie hadn't changed hers. She still did not want to have any children. Before their divorce was, however, finalized, Freddie had already welcomed a child with another woman, and the timelines did not match up and suggested there was a cheating involved. In 2018, Jeannie went public with her relationship with Jeezy, and just from the way she would talk about him, you could actually tell that homegirl was smitten. In 2021, the two tied the knot finally, and even from the time they were not married, Jeannie just all of a sudden had that radiant glow, and we were all here for it, okay? And even her fashion taste and sense drastically changed, and I think the proper word to describe the fashion sense would be free. She started dressing more freely, even like her body language, her everything about her just started to be lively and active, and you could just tell that homegirl was in love. Now, before I express my opinions and about this entire situation, T-Sippers, I would like to kindly remind you to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up down below, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post. I post each and every single day of the week. Now, moving on, when Jeannie announced her pregnancy yesterday, of course, because of this backstory, people had a lot to say. And I have to say, T-Sippers, I really did watch her talk about Jeezy, and I really think that the two are in love, because sometimes we don't want certain things, not because we don't want them per se, but because of fear. And from the interview that I heard, from what Jeannie Mai said, she had a certain fear that she had, and when she met Jeezy, whom she also said had his own fears, they kind of helped each other work through those fears and probably assured each other that they were always going to be there for each other, because we don't know, T-Sippers, we never know the reason why Jeannie did not want to have kids to begin with, okay? And maybe Freddie did not give her that assurance that everything was going to be fine. Not that I'm blaming Freddie for whatever fears Jeannie has, but I'm just saying that could be a possibility. That could be another reason why probably with Freddie she did not feel like she wanted to have a child, but with Jeezy now she probably feels safer, or maybe she has addressed those fears, those demons that were tormenting her into not wanting a child. So for people to come on the internet and try and shame her for the decisions that she has made for her life, I really think that is totally not fair, especially considering that Freddie himself has moved on with his new family, and I really do think that Jeannie also deserves happiness. And if having a child with her new husband Jeezy is going to make her happy, then well, go for it. I'm all here for it. I've always loved Jeannie, even during the times of How Do I Look. I remember I would always binge watch How Do I Look on Style TV, and her personality has just been like a radiant personality. She has always been an open book. She's always been very bubbly, and this is the same Jeannie that I'm now seeing now that he's together with Jeezy. She's giving me the How Do I Look Jeannie Mai that I actually used to know, and I'm here for it, okay? I'm here queens breaking boundaries, stepping on necks, being loved right. And I feel like, you know what? There's absolutely nothing wrong with Jeannie changing her mind. I mean, if Freddie could change his mind and have a child with another woman, so can Jeannie, okay? So all this bashing, at some point, I feel like it has to stop, okay? If she is happy, that's all that matters. She's having a child with her husband, okay? A child within wedlock. It's not like she's cheating. It's not like she cheated. She moved on and then she changed her mind. And I don't see anything wrong with that, okay? However, Tisipas, I would like to know also your opinion concerning this entire situation. So do hop into the comment section and let me know what you think about this entire thing. Do you think that people are now taking it too far, expecting Jeannie to stick to the decisions that she may have made 10 or 12 years back? Or do you think that homegirl deserves to be happy, and as long as she's not harming anyone in the process, she should go for it? Well, I've already told you my opinion. I will forever ride for Jeannie. I want to see Black women being happy, and if that makes her happy, then we're all here for it. Congratulations again to Jeannie Mai and Jeezy. Even like, guys, Jeannie is so in love. I remember seeing one of the little cute videos that she actually posts on her timeline, on her Instagram timeline. I looked at her, I looked at her eyes, I looked at her face. It was so evident, it was so clear that homegirl was happy, okay? So do hop into the comment section and let me know what you think about this entire situation. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for making it this far. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That is to your right, and subscribe to the T-Plug. Also, do turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post. Leave a thumbs up. Side note, I do post each and every single day. And until my next one, see you.